Hi, my name is Christy. I'm a small business owner slash artist and a full-time working mom with a busy toddler. But I wanted to share some of my packing tips, so grab a drink and let's get started. First, I start with gathering everything I need to pack my orders. Okay, don't judge me. I have them all in a location in my closet, so it's easy to locate. So here are the essentials: regular mail envelopes, my address labels with my P.O. box, some regular forever stamps, as well as international stamps just in case. I have scotch tape for taping down my packaging, some tissue paper, very sparkly, pretty, and purple, just like my brand. I got this on Amazon, by the way. Bubble mailer, which also matches the color of my brand. Unfortunately, the company no longer makes these, so I have to find another solution soon. Cardboard backing for art prints, and my star confetti to add some personality to my packaging. My star stickers as a seal, more like decoration for my packaging. And some complimentary stickers that I give on launch day. I also have my Sharpie so I can write the names of my customers on my thank you cards. Packing slip so I can keep track of the orders. And my poly bags, which I keep in a container. So I use these poly bags for my stickers and my art prints. My studio is actually my spare bedroom, so space is actually really limited. I've organized everything to fit on this small table, so I need to have an efficient setup to pack orders stress-free and quickly. I designed these sticker backings. It's a great way to personalize the orders. I also include these cute discount cards. Okay, so it's time to start packing. I begin by reading the packing slip to confirm the items that were ordered. For example, this order has 2 sticker sheets and 1 die cut sticker. I place them into a poly bag for protection, along with a backing card for my stickers, which helps with stability. I then add my thank you card and write their name using my Sharpie. It's important to me that every customer feels really appreciated. Next, I sprinkle some star confetti because who doesn't love a little sparkle? And wrap everything up with the tissue paper. I do this by having 3 pieces of tape ready to secure the tissue paper. Finally, I add a cardboard backing to prevent bending and tuck it into the bubble mailer, sealing it with my signature star sticker. And don't forget to label the package with the customer's name to keep things organized for your shipping labels later. I want to talk more about what it's like balancing life as a small business owner. I know firsthand how challenging it can be to juggle everything. Working a full-time job, running a business, and in my case, parenting a toddler. Some days it feels like there just aren't enough hours in the day. Actually, most days it feels like that. One thing I've learned is the importance of creating routines. For example, I've carved out specific times during the week to work on orders, usually after my little peanut is asleep. I make a checklist and tackle each task one by one. It's not perfect, and sometimes I'm just exhausted with the idea of even starting, but having a plan keeps me on track and helps me feel very accomplished. Another thing I've struggled with, and maybe some of you can relate as well, is definitely imposter syndrome. It's that voice in the back of your head that says you are just not good enough, or what if no one likes what you're creating? What if nobody cares? When those thoughts creep in, I remind myself that every order I pack is proof that someone out there believes in me and my work, and that I think is worth celebrating. I also want to touch on burnout because it is so freaking real. When you're passionate about your business, it's easy to pour all of your energy into it. But I've learned how important it is to set boundaries. You have to take breaks, even if it's just a quick walk or time to do something that relaxes you. For me, it's spending time with my family. You have to recharge. And let's not forget about the support systems that keep us going. If it's your family or friends or your online community, surrounding yourself with people who encourage you makes such a huge difference. And I am lucky that I have all three of those. Thank you to my friends and my family and my online community. Thank you for being there for me. Okay, next I am packing Star Mail. This is a monthly membership where I send out exclusive sticker sheets, postcards, and die cut stickers. And this month's Star Mail for December, I'm giving my Purple Star members the artwork I recently did and my watercolor video as a postcard. I'm also giving them a gingerbread sticker sheet for their planner, and I'm giving them the die cut sticker that goes along with my recent shop launch. And I also write their name on a little thank you letter I made for every member. So packing the Star Mail is basically the same. The only thing that's different is I don't add the cardboard backing. Since I'm sending this as regular mail, it is not a package. So I want the letter to be as light as possible. My little peanut may not understand what I do, but even their little hugs remind me why I'm working so hard for this. Plus, my husband has been such a great support system for me, helping me stay grounded on those tough days. If you're watching this and you're feeling overwhelmed as a small business owner, as a mom, as a dad, just know that you're not alone. And every milestone, no matter how small, is worth celebrating. Even if it's your first order or your 100th, You're making your dreams a reality, and that to me is incredible. Once I'm done, I weigh the mail to ensure it's under an ounce. Anything heavier gets 2 stamps. I like to use the forever stamps that I get from the USPS site, or you can go to your local post office to buy some as well. So when it comes to shipping labels, I use Pirate Ship because it's cost effective and very easy to use compared to Shopify's built-in options. I also use the Munbin label printer to print my shipping labels. However, for the star mail, I use the Avery labels with a subtle star and moon design I created in Word, just so it can match my brand. Small details like these make the packaging even more special to me. Alright, with everything labeled and packed, it's almost time to drop off these at the post office. Seeing all of these packages ready to go fills me with so much gratitude. To everyone who's supported my small business, thank you from the bottom of my heart. If you've placed an order, shared my artwork, shared my shop, or cheered me on in the comments, it means the world to me. To other small business owners, you're doing absolutely amazing, and I hope this video inspires you to keep going. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and was able to maybe get something out of it, hopefully. If you'd like, let me know in the comments what made you smile today, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!